I hope everybody is doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about parts of paragraph. There are actually three main parts of paragraph. Number one is topic sentence, number two is supporting sentence, and the last one is concluding sentence. The first one, we have the topic sentence. Topic sentence is the first sentence of each paragraph. When we write a paragraph, first we need to write a topic sentence. This topic sentence focuses on main idea. We have to write the main idea of the paragraph. Main idea is something that the whole paragraph talks about it. The rest information that we provide will be related to this main idea. This is the main idea. There should be only one main idea, and then the rest information we provide would be related to this main idea. In topic sentence, what we need to clarify, when we need to make clear, that can be the main idea. Main idea should be clear. And also, it answers the question of what the main idea is, or what the reader expects from this whole paragraph. We need to mention it in the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the most important sentence. It sets a direction, or it sets a tone for the reader. Or let's say, when the topic sentence is clear, the whole sentences, the other sentences that we provide after it, will be very easy to understand. The most important sentence in paragraph is the first sentence, the topic sentence, that we need to clarify the main idea, what the main idea is. For example, if I say effective communication, effective communication is key to teamwork. Now, this is the example of topic sentence. Look at the example, guys. The main idea in this sentence is key to teamwork. How this effective communication important for teamwork? And the answer of this question, how, will be answered, let's say, in the supporting sentence. We provide more examples, we provide more explanations. The key idea here is the key to teamwork. How this communication is key to teamwork, how it is important, how it is essential, let's say, in teamwork. Okay, we identified the main idea, or what the main idea is in this sentence is key to teamwork. It is key to teamwork. In supporting sentence, we provide more explanations, we provide examples, and we provide evidences. In this part, we have more information. In supporting sentence, we support the main idea that is mentioned in the topic sentence, the first sentence. We support it by giving more explanations, by giving, let's say, examples, and by providing the evidences. This is called supporting sentence. And the more number of, let's say, information is provided in the supporting sentences. The key idea is key to teamwork, and then how it is key to teamwork, we, let's say, discuss in the topic in the supporting sentence. For example, you can provide some examples. I would say 25%, let's say, those team members who have effective communication are more productive than those who have, let's say, poor communication. We provide more examples, we provide more explanations, we provide more evidences in the let's say, in the body section, in the supporting sentence. The last sentence of the paragraph, the last part of the paragraph, is called concluding sentence. In concluding sentence, either we paraphrase the main idea. The paraphrasing of the main idea would be concluding of the paragraph, the whole paragraph. Or we summarize the supporting sentence, the body section. we summarize the supporting sentence, then it becomes the concluding sentence of the whole paragraph. Let's say I summarize, this is the topic sentence, and I paraphrase the topic sentence. Paraphrase means we use it, let's say, in a different words. We mention it in a let's say in different words, but it gives the same meaning. This is called the paraphrase. I would say communication plays a vital role in having, let's say, in having a good team, in having a good teamwork. Look, this is the concluding sentence of this paragraph. This is the topic sentence. I paraphrased the topic sentence. I used, let's say, different words, but it gives the same meaning. But the idea, the connotation is the same. Communication plays a vital role in having a good teamwork. Here, it is like effective communication is key to teamwork. And then I paraphrase this into, let's say, into different words, but it gives the same meaning. Guys, this is called parts of paragraph. When we want to write a good paragraph, we have to consider these three standard parts. First, the topic sentence. This is the first sentence of this paragraph. What we need to do here is we need to find the main idea. Finding the main idea, clarifying the main idea is really important. And then the supporting sentence all supports, or let's say provides more information or more explanations or examples related to that main idea. And then the concluding sentence, we conclude or summarize either the supporting, or we paraphrase the topic sentence, and then that becomes the concluding sentence of the paragraph.